I'm Raj. I work as ERP engineer at Addend LLP, Navi Mumbai. Today, I will show you the functionality of our app user-specific field restrictions. As you can see, I'm in my environment development 2 and I am the admin of this environment. I will go to user card page. This is demo user 1. I will choose this action restrict field access. I will add the table. Add a field, let's say email field, and I will make it disable. Here is a catch, you can only make it either disable or mandatory, but not both at the same time. Now we exit the page. We open a new tab and we log in as demo user 1. Now we are logged into the same environment with the user demo user 1. Now we open the customer card page and see if the restrictions are visible or not. As you can see, the email field is disabled. Thank you for watching the video.